Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites: roof integrity, local code, and permits. Once confirmed, assemble the lightning rod, conductor cable, clamps, and grounding rod close at hand. Position the rod at the roof peak to minimize step potential and start the install immediately, fastening base to structural framing rather than just roofing material. Use insulated tools and a partner to hold materials. When mounted, make sure the rod is vertical and mechanically secure before routing the conductor down the planned path. You continue by routing a continuous conductor from the rod to the ground location, avoiding sharp bends and keeping any turns gentle. This reduces heating and arcing risks. Make intentional bonds to all exposed metalwork and roof edges using approved clamps, and ensure those bonds are low resistance. Fasten the conductor to structural members every 6 to 10 feet and maintain separation from gas, water, and electrical lines. If proximity is unavoidable, insulate and cross at right angles to reduce induced currents and hazards. You finish by installing the grounding electrode. Drive a copper-clad rod vertically to the specified depth, using multiple rods spaced about 3 meters apart if needed to lower resistance. Once installed, test resistance. Make sure it meets local code, typically under 10 ohms, and add additional rods or use chemical electrodes if readings are high. Finally, inspect all clamps, solder joints, and corrosion points, tighten mechanical fasteners, record measurements, and remember to schedule annual checks. If you see elevated resistance, redrive or augment the grounding system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.